You ever check your bank account right after payday and just go, wait, where did all my money go? Between bills, brunches with the girls, and late night Amazon clicks, it's like the cash just vanishes into thin air. And honestly, it feels exhausting trying to keep up. We grew up believing the formula was simple: work hard, land a good job, and money would just work itself out. But real life hit us with student loans, rent climbing higher every year, and jobs that don't always pay what we deserve. The truth? That formula was broken from the start. Here's the kicker: no one ever taught us how to really build wealth. Instead, we're told, just save a little, don't spend too much, and play it safe. But honestly, that advice keeps us small. It's like being told to swim without ever being taught how. So let me say this: if money has you stressed, it's not your fault. But here's the real talk: it is your responsibility. Because no one else is coming to fix it for us. And let's be real, money drama isn't just numbers on a screen. It's the fights with your partner about bills, the late night shame scrolling when you see friends doing better, the stress that eats at your self-worth. Money mess is emotional, it's personal. But here's the thing: if nothing changes, the cycle just repeats. Paycheck to paycheck, no real savings, and dreams stuck on pause. 5 years from now, you could be in the exact same spot, only with more debt and less time to live the life you want. Here's the truth. Money drama isn't about money, it's about the stories we've been told about money. I'm Bella, and you're watching Money Talk channel, Real Talk. Smart Money with Bella. Hit that subscribe button and join our community, because your financial glow up starts here. Quick disclaimer: I'm here to educate and inspire, not to give financial advice tailored to your situation. Do your research, boo. In this video, I'll show you how to break free from money drama step by step so you can stop stressing and start thriving. Stay with me, grab a notebook, and let's do this. Money drama usually comes from stories we've carried since childhood. Maybe you heard things like money is hard or rich people are selfish. These old beliefs sneak into your life without you even noticing. Think about it. 70% of women say money stresses them out more than their health or even relationships. That's huge, and it shows how powerful these hidden money stories really are. But imagine if those stories weren't running the show anymore. Picture checking your bank account and feeling calm, even excited freedom instead of fear. Here's the truth. If you ignore these old money stories, they'll just keep repeating. That's why awareness is the first and most important step. Oprah once said, "You don't become what you want, you become what you believe." And that's exactly why rewriting your money story matters. So let's start here by naming those old beliefs and deciding which ones no longer serve you. This is your first step toward a new money story, one that feels empowering, not limiting. Okay, bestie, let's talk about numbers. I know they can feel intimidating, but hear me out. Your numbers aren't just math, they're the way your future self says thank you for caring. This is how you step into real money power. Here's the first number to track: your income. This is every dollar that flows into your life, whether from your job, a side hustle, or even a random Venmo from your best friend who finally paid you back. It's your starting point. Second, your fixed costs. These are the bills that come like clockwork: rent, utilities, subscriptions. Think of them like the foundation of your financial house. You can't build without knowing the base. Third, your flexible spending. This is the fun money: brunches, Target runs, that spontaneous concert ticket. These are the adventures that make life vibrant, and you get to enjoy them guilt-free once you know your numbers. When you see your numbers, it's like turning on Google Maps. Suddenly you know exactly where you are, and the path to where you want to go lights up. No more wandering lost, you're in control. Most women avoid looking at their numbers because of guilt. But sis, ignoring them only makes it worse. The truth is, when you measure, you manage. And that's the secret to owning your financial glow up. Okay, bestie, here's the truth. Your safety net is basically your peace of mind fund. It's the money that lets you breathe easy, even when life throws you a curveball. Start small, girl. Even $500 set aside is a game changer. That's like giving yourself permission to stop panicking when the unexpected happens. Once you've got that first milestone, the next level is saving up 3 months of expenses. That's when you feel unstoppable, like nothing can shake you. Picture this. Your car breaks down, and instead of freaking out, you just swipe and move on. That's freedom, babe. That's your safety net in action. Without a safety net, emergencies can spiral into debt drama real quick. And girl, we do not need that energy in our lives. Like Suze Orman says, people first, then money, then things. Build that safety net, and you'll never feel like money controls your story again. Here's the deal, debt isn't all the same. Some kinds are like quicksand pulling you under, while others are just slower to pay off. Knowing the difference is your first power move. Credit cards? Girl, those things can eat you alive with 20% plus interest. That's like paying double for the same latte over and over again. Student loans? Yeah, they're heavy, but they don't crush as fast. They're more like carrying a backpack uphill. It slows you down but doesn't bury you overnight. The strategy? Tackle the nastiest debt first, the one sucking the most from your wallet. Every dollar you free up is like reclaiming your paycheck for yourself. Imagine this. Instead of sending your hard-earned money to banks, you're keeping it. That paycheck finally stays in your pocket, fueling your life, not their profits. Here's the truth, paying just a minimum is like signing up for debt forever. If you want freedom, you've got to break the cycle and choose a smarter path. Step 5 is all about thinking like an investor, even if you're starting with just pocket change. Investing isn't just for Wall Street bros. It's for women like us who want freedom and options. Here's the magic. Even small amounts grow when you give them time. Imagine putting aside just a little bit each month. It's like planting seeds for your future. Let's break it down. If you invest just $100 a month for 30 years, you put in $120,000. But with compounding, it could grow into more than $300,000. Picture this. Future you, sipping iced coffee in your dream home, stress-free because you started investing today. That's the power of planting seeds early. The biggest mistake? Waiting until you have more money. Time is the most powerful factor in investing, and you can't get it back once it's gone. Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world," and the truth is, you don't need to be rich to start, you just need to start. Let's be real, money isn't just about paying bills. It's about creating a life that actually feels good and true to you. The truth is, your money should match your values. If you care about travel, self-care, or brunch with friends, your budget should reflect that. One simple rule. The 50-30-20 method. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and debt. It's like a roadmap for your money. When you budget this way, you free up money for what you actually care about. That could be a trip to Bali, pottery classes, or that dream home fund. But if your spending doesn't align with your values, you'll feel broke no matter how much you earn. It's like running on a treadmill that never stops. So cut ruthlessly on what doesn't matter, and go big on what lights you up. Like Ramit Sethi says, spend extravagantly on the things you love, and cut costs mercilessly on the things you don't. Okay, girl. You've worked hard for this money glow up. Now it's time to actually protect it. Think of it like putting a safety shield around your future self, so nothing unexpected knocks you down. First up, protection means the basics. One simple will, renter's insurance, and starting your retirement fund. It's like locking your front door. You don't notice it every day, but it keeps you safe. Think of insurance like a safety net when you're walking a tightrope. You hope you'll never need it, but if you slip, girl, it's there to catch you. Boundaries matter too. Saying no to draining money situations is like drawing a line in the sand. You protect your energy and your wallet. Here's the truth. Skipping protection means one bad event could erase years of progress. And girl, you deserve way better than that. Like Warren Buffett says, do not risk what you have for what you don't need. Protecting your money is protecting your peace, and that, sis, is priceless. We uncovered the truth about money drama, rewrote your money story, learn to face numbers, build safety nets, ditch toxic debt, start investing, align your lifestyle, and protect your future. Breaking money drama isn't about being perfect, it's about progress. Like this video, hit subscribe, and share it with your bestie who needs this too. Drop in the comments. What's your biggest money drama right now? Let's make this a safe space to talk about it. You've been watching Money Talk channel Real Talk, Smart Money with Bella. Remember, you deserve financial freedom, not financial drama. Until next time, take care of your money, and it will take care of you.